a little family adventure today. Follow my adventures by subscribing below, hit that bell to stay notified, and let's adventure, let's explore, and let's create. Dale in the Lake District. Got hopefully the weather clears up. It says it does in the next few hours, so heading up to a tarn up here called Bleak Tarn, and then we're gonna maybe go for a little wild swim. Go for a little wild swim up at well, I think there's like a little water slide, but I'm still to find it, so hopefully we do. Come along. Well, Flynn.
Are we not playing?
Nearly.
Baba everywhere. Yeah. Karen, maybe look up there.
So we made it up to the tarn. This is known as Bleak Tarn. There's actually two Bleak Tarns in the Lake District, so this is one of them. Kids are wanting to dip, but I think when they get their feet in it, they're going to question whether that's going to be something they want to do. I don't think they felt how cold it is yet. So yeah, nice little hike up. The kids have enjoyed it, and then we're going to head across after we've had a little picnic, and then back down, and then hopefully find this water slide, natural water slide, which we might have a go on. We've got the wetsuits with us. That's going to be freezing though. Go on then, Kira, put your feet in it.
Okay, I'm going to go in it.
Sandwiches.
Ciao, guys.
Taking a picture.
Munching. Bah. Don't throw rocks, Flynn. Go. Right, don't throw any more rocks. Flynn, stay here. No, Flynn. Flynn, it's dangerous. No.
That one was so heavy it made it fall.
Flynn, wait up. mine shaft. Yeah. Don't climb up, Flame. If you fall through that, you will not be able to get you.
And you won't be even able to see light again.
What is it?
It's a mine shaft. It's a big hole. Old mine houses. All the miners probably stayed. Yeah, there's a few houses, ruins. Quite a few of them, isn't there? One here, here, and here. There's two over there as well. Somebody's got to check them out. Can you go in it, Sammy? Sammy says it stinks. There's another one down there. There's two here. It's like the sheep use them. Yeah, all the sheep poo. This one's still in fairly good nick.
Another one over there.
Full of sheep poo.
And it's another one over there.
Poo.
Oh my god.
The entire floor is poo.
Yeah. And it's another one there. Hi, Mommy.
You guys. Beautiful. You stood in calm up. Look at your arms. He's got it all over his arms. What do you like? Good job. We're going to go find this river. Weather's starting to get a bit better now as well. Probably don't look it. It's a bit cloudy, but it's warm. Main thing. Right, take your time down here because it's downhill and it's rocky. No running. Slow steps. Go find this water slide.
There we go! Go on, Sammy!
We're at the water slide. It's sick. I've just had to go. Donna's walking over now to go and take this out. I think I might even get the drone up a little bit here so I don't crash it. Yeah, have a couple more attempts. I think it scares Flynn a little bit, but Kira's had a go with my knee, Sam's had a go. That waist, you'll be alright, but just catch your foot in. Put your hands down. my back dressed, so it's done. And the water slide and the walk. The kids have all enjoyed it, even Kira did it at the end. Putting up on the rest of the sandwiches that we didn't finish from the picnic. Yeah, what a great spot. Definitely returning back to here, won't we?
Oh, it's great.
Really good. That possibly looks like a good jump spot. Need to check how deep that is next time I come. Yeah. Not far from as well.